Create Windows 10 install USB on macOS Catalina. I am not sure why this is such a crazy hard problem to find a solution for, but I have two machines, a PC and a MacBook Pro running Catalina. I have recently had to rebuild my PC and lost my old Windows 10 install USB, which as an aside, was created in the days when Boot Camp created bootable USBs, and now I must create another one. Here is the problem: every solution I have tried so far has both not worked and taken 2+ hours to find out that it didn't work. Has someone successfully created a Windows 10 bootable install USB on macOS Catalina? Please let me know which steps you took. Thanks in advance. Also, yes, I have googled this and 99% of the solutions either A. Use Boot Camp, not an option, or B. are geared towards dual booting macOS and Windows, which is not my intent either. Just a quick and simple bootable install USB for a separate Windows machine.
I had this exact question. I just finished using this tutorial and it worked for me. For those who do not want to watch the video, although highly recommended, download the ISO you want to use. Open the terminal, in /applications/utilities. cd/path/to/ISO to drive into folder or cd ... to go back the path. Convert .iso to .img using diutil. Rename if OS X gave it a .dmg file extension. Connect USB drive and type diskutil list to find the path. Unmount USB drive diskutil unmount disk, location of disk. Locate img. In the terminal, type sudo dd if sad face full location of img file, of sad face location of external USB drive, bs equals 1m. Be patient, it will take about 20 to 45 minutes. Once complete, eject by running diskutil eject, location of USB drive. Edit with an additional step needed to make the USB bootable.
This answer needs an update because the latest Windows 10 ISO image is over 5 GB, which results in the install.vim in ISO image larger than 4 GB. Why this could be an issue? From my test, only FAT32 is supposed to work on Mac. If you want to burn latest Windows 10 ISO, you have to mount the ISO and split the install.vim into small pieces. A lot of online tutorials talking about this. You can do this with vimlib, split.vim file, san rync, copy files to USB, it's command to get this done. And there is no need to convert ISO to IMG. Another possible solution is ubyte ISO Editor, Mac version, a premium software for creating Windows bootable USB along with other editing features. With the latest update, you don't have to do any additional settings with large Windows 10 ISO. It supports macOS Catalina and Big Sur. P.S. I made a Windows 10 bootable USB on Catalina in less than 2 minutes and successfully installed Windows 10 on my old laptop. My case items: Win10_22_English_x64.iso, 5.73 GB. macOS Catalina 10.15.5 SanDisk. SanDisk 32 GB USB 3.0 drive.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.